Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to book flight tickets for free. So here, making a flight reservation for free is usually done for visa application or travel requirements. So we just need a booking proof and not an actual paid ticket. So what we are going to do here is the onward ticket. So just open any of your web browser and then you just have to type out onwardticket.com and then you'd be redirected to this section. After that, just click on the book now option. Okay, so right here, of course, we are going to choose the round trip ticket and then choose your route. Okay, you just have to search for that specific country and then the country that you are flying to. So, for example, Canada. Okay, and then you have to select here the date, okay, your departure date and your return date. After that, just click on this next option, and right here for the passenger details, you just have to type out right here their contact email. Okay, and then you just have to type out their first name and then their last name. After that, just click on this next option. So right here for the options, we have receive ticket now or receive later. For the currency, we have USD and Euro. So I'm just going to select USD. That's right. And then just have to click on next. So here, just have to wait for a couple of seconds while they're checking for available flights. So finally, we have here now an available flight for this one. So you just have to click on it. So here, you just have to click on confirm and pay. Now, if you were to ask why we have to pay for this certain amount, so when you pay, the agency or service creates a real valid reservation with a PNR or booking code with the airlines. So this booking looks just like a regular ticket and can be verified by immigration or an embassy. So since the agency takes care of creating and later canceling the ticket, they charge you for the service. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.